Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this absolutely amazing, standard modern, high precision tool room lathe. This machine is set up currently at 480 volts. It's a 17-inch over the bed, 8 3/4 over the cross slide, and 60 inches between centers. It happens to be serial number 9558. And this is our stock number, 6811. That being said, we're currently running at 30 RPMs. This machine is well tooled. We have all the goodies to go with it, including a digital readout, 3-jaw, 4-jaw, faceplate, wedge style, quick change tool post. We're throwing it all out there for you. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and run through some paces, Frankie, and see what you've got. The standard modern lathe is built in the North American continent. 80. That's 80 RPMs. On your right. During this preview, I'd like to go ahead and show you very up close and personal the crossways, the bedways, and the overall condition of this machine. Absolutely amazing. Very limited condition.
160.
Clear? That's 160 RPM. That's 320 RPMs. This machine is set up with 18 changes to go from 40 to 2000 RPM. That's 40 to 2000 RPM with 18 changes. Has a number 4 Morse taper in the tailstock.
640.
That's 640 RPMs. It's equipped with the nicole C80 2-axis digital readout.
1000.
It's our 1000 RPM. The machine has inch threading. The machine has metric threading. Metric feeds and inch feeds.
1280.
That's 1280 RPM. The overall weight on this machine is about 5,500 pounds. Let's call it 6. Okay, this is top RPM, 2000 RPM. All right. So in essence of time, what we wanted to do is just run through most of the RPMs. We're going to engage some feeds now. I'm going to sneak in and take a quick shot of the cross slide. Another close-up of the bedways. Thanks, Frank, I'm clear. Here's the metric, inch and metric threading chart. Let me park over here. This machine is located at our warehouse in Salt Lake City, Utah. We offer extremely competitive shipping rates from our location to wherever you're at. Let's talk about tooling. We've got a 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. We've got a heavy-duty American-made 12-inch 4-jaw chuck. Compound, carriage, apron. We have a nicole 2-axis digital readout. It's equipped with the microsin on the cross slide and the spherosin on the rear. Continuing on with the tooling, I have a very nice steady rest. I have a wedge style quick change tool post package with 5 holders, a 12-inch T-slotted faceplate. Additionally, we're throwing in a number 4 Morse taper to JT3 drill chuck arbor and drill chuck, and a number 4 live center. That's all these goodies that you see down here. So ready to plug and play, in other words. Okay, the Standard Modern, very proud to offer this machine to you. It's built in the North American continent. All common wear parts are still available. This happens to be what we call a model 1660. Again, what we have here, running through it in a nutshell, is 17 inches over the legs, 8 3/4 inches over the cross side, with full 60 inches between centers. It's a D16 Camelot spindle, number 4 Morse taper on the tailstock. It has 11-inch wide bedway, so the bed width is 11 inches. So feel free to give us a call here at Machinery Consultants at 801-531-9500. We look forward to your inquiry. This machine will be found on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Please click on machineryconsultants.com, go to used machines, click on engine lane, and this will be found under stock number 6811. Well, until next time, thanks again. Thank you for shopping with Machinery Consultants. Be happy, be healthy, and have a great day.